Very good afternoon, dear students. The last class discussed about arithmetic mean. Today discuss about geometric mean. Discuss about geometric mean. So, what is the meaning of the geometric mean means? So, what is the meaning of the geometric mean means? If first condition is if three quantities A comma capital G comma B, these three quantities are in geometric progression. If three quantities A comma G comma B are in geometric progression, then G is called geometric mean between, then G is called geometric mean between A and B. Geometric mean between A and B. What is the first condition? If three quantities are A comma capital G comma B, these three quantities are in geometric progression, then middle element is G, it is called geometric mean between A and B. Second condition. If M1 comma M2 comma M3 so on Mn comma B are in geometric progression, then the elements. What is the elements? M1 comma M2 comma M3 so on Mn. Then the elements M1 comma M2 comma M3 so on Mn are called the nth elements. The nth elements of the geometric mean between A and B. So first condition is if three quantities are A comma capital G comma B, these three quantities are in the geometric progression, middle term where G is called geometric mean between A and B. Here also some elements we are inserted in between A and B. So M1 comma M2 comma M3 so on Mn. This element it is called geometric mean, nth element of the geometric mean between A and B. Third condition is if three quantities A comma G comma B are in geometric progression, then we have according to definition. What is the geometric definition? Geometric progression definition: the ratio of any two terms is same. We can take any two ratios are same. That's why first ratio is G by B. First ratio is G by B. Second ratio is B by G. After that, cross product G into G. G square is equal to AB. Eliminating the square, so G is equal to root AB. So now this is called G is equal to root AB. This is called the geometric mean between A and B is given by the G is equal to root AB. So everyone understood what is the meaning of the geometric mean? Means if three quantities small a comma capital G comma B are in the geometric progression, then middle element it is called geometric mean between A and B. Second one, here only one element is there, but here how many elements is there? Nth elements will be there. If mth elements in between A and B, it is called nth elements of the geometric mean between A and B. Third condition is if three quantities A comma G comma B are in the geometric progression, then we have applying the geometric progression definition. So any two ratios are equal, thus we are taking G by A is equal to B by G. After that, cross product G into G. G square is equal to cross multiplication A into B, AB. After that, taking root on both sides, G is equal to root AB. So that is the geometric mean of two elements A and B is given by G is equal to root AB. This is the meaning of the geometric mean. Everyone understood? Next we are going to problems. Very easy, very important for the final exam 2 marks question. So geometric mean means if three quantities small a comma capital G comma B are in geometric progression, then middle element capital G is called geometric mean between A and B. So here problems first question. So first of all, what is the general form of the geometric progressions? So already I explained general form of geometric progressions are first term is AR square, AR cube, so on, A into R to the power of n minus 1. General form of the geometric progressions are A comma, AR square, so on, A into R to the power of n minus 1. Nth term of the geometric progression form is Tn is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. This is the general form of the geometric progression. This is nth term of the geometric progression. Tn is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. We are going to solve this. What is the first question? Insert 3 geometric means between minus 4 and 64. What they are asking? Insert 3 geometric means between minus 4 and minus 64. Means in between minus 4 and minus 64, in between we are insert 3 geometric means. So now we are going to solution. Let what are asking? Insert 3 geometric mean between minus 4 and minus 64. Minus 4 and minus 64. In between you can insert 3 geometric means. Already first term they give. What is the second term? AR. Second term is AR. Third term is AR square. Fourth term is AR cube. So now you understood. Maybe you wrote this one because of in the general form of the geometric progression is A comma, A is called first term, second term, third term, fourth term, so on, nth term. So now already first term is given, but what we are asking to insert 3 geometric means. That's why we are inserting only 3 geometric means. Because already first term is given, second term is AR, third term is AR square, fourth term is AR cube. Only we are insert only 3 elements in between minus 4 and minus 64. Here, what is the first term value? A is equal to minus 4. So common ratio we calculate first term this one. Next term, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, nth term or fifth term, anything. So we are taking nth term is equal to 64. N is equal to number of elements in the sequence. How many numbers we can count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total numbers is 5. So that's why fifth term is equal to 64. Everyone understood? Next now apply nth term of geometric progression is Tn is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. Nth term is last term value is 64. Now what is the A value is minus 4. So sorry, nth term value is minus 64. So minus 64 is equal to A value is minus 4. So I will write R, n value is 5 minus 1. Now minus minus get cancelled. 4 on the 4, 16 the. So now we get the value 16 is equal to R to the power of 5 minus 1 is 4. So now right hand side small r power of 4 is there. Which number multiplied to 4 times we get the 16? 2 power of 4. 2 power of 4 is equal to R power of 4. Because of if you want to R value means which number multiplied to 4 times we getting 2 power of 4. That's why we are taking 2 power of 4. Both the side power get cancelled. 2 is equal to R. So 2 is equal to R. A value not, small r value not. So what you are assuming that value can substitute the values. If small a value is minus 4, R value is 2. So what is the first term you are assuming? AR. AR is equal to A value is minus 4, R value is 2 is equal to minus 4 into is minus 8. Next term is a r square. A value is minus 4, r value is 2 into square is equal to minus 4. 2 square value is 4. Minus 4 into 4 is minus 16. Third term is a r cubed. Minus 4 into r value is 2 whole cube is equal to minus 4. 2 cube value 8 is equal to minus 32. What they are asking to calculate? 3 elements. A comma a square comma a square. So this element which is called geometric mean between minus 4 and minus 64. So finally we get the geometric mean values are minus 8 comma minus 16 comma minus 32. The geometric progressions are these given to are minus 8 comma minus 16 comma minus 32. So once again listen carefully. What they are asking? Insert 3 geometric means between minus 4 and minus 64 means in between the minus 4 and minus 64 in between we can insert 3 geometric means. That's why we are insert in between minus 4 and minus 64 insert 3 geometric mean values because of already first term they given. That's why we are assuming 3 terms because of only they are asking insert 3 geometric mean. That's why so one element is a, another element a square, third element is a cube. In the given sequence a is called minus 4. This is called you can take fifth term or else nth term because of number of element is equal to 5. When we take 5 also substitute that is also fifth term is equal to minus 64. That is evaluation. So now applying nth term of geometric progression is n is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. So nth term value is 60 minus 64. A value is minus 4. R1 is written as it is 5 minus 1. Minus minus get cancelled. 4 and the 4 16. Yeah. So right hand side r to the power of 4 is there to calculate r value. That's why this value to convert in terms of 2 power of 4. 16 can be written as 2 both side power get cancelled. R is equal to finally to calculate a value on a square value a cube value. That's why finally we get the a value and r value that value substitute in the what we are assuming the value. Finally we got 3 geometric progressions are minus 8 comma minus 16 comma minus 32. This values it is called geometric mean between minus 4 and minus 64. Everyone understood? It is clear? Next second question. Second question. Suppose another solution also is there. So I will explain another solution. So now normally the given a value is minus 4, b value is minus 64, n value is 3. So to calculate r value you can apply r is equal to b by a whole to the power of 1 by n plus 1. This is short form. This is a short method. A value is minus 4, b value is minus 16, n is equal to 3. To calculate r value, r is equal to b by a whole to the power of n plus 1. R is equal to b value is minus 64, a value is minus 4 whole to the power of 1 divided by n value is 3 plus 1. Minus minus get cancelled. 4 on the 4 16. The r is equal to 16 power of 1 by 3 plus 1 is 4. Now 16 can be written as 2 power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4. 4 get cancelled. So now r is equal to 2. So now what we are assuming three numbers. One is the a r. So a value is minus 4, r value is 2 is equal to minus 8. Second element we are assuming a square. A value is minus 4, r value is 2 whole square is equal to minus 4 into 4 value is minus 16. A r cube is equal to a value is minus 4, r value is 2 whole cube is equal to minus 4 into 2 cube value is 8. Minus 4 into 2 is 8 is minus 32. So which elements if you want? Only 3 elements. So 3 geometric progressions are minus 8 comma minus 16 comma minus 32. These 3 elements it is called geometric mean between minus 4 and minus 64. It is clear? You understood? Next we are going to second problem. Very important this question for the final exam Kunos question. Now second question is insert 3 geometric mean between 1 by 3 and 27. Insert 3 geometric mean between 1 by 3 and 27. Solution. Let we are assuming what is the given first element is 1 by 3, last element they give 27. In between element we can insert 3 geometric means. First element already given, second element we are assuming a r, third element is a square, fourth element is a cube. We are inserting 3 elements in between 1 by 3 and 27. Now here a is equal to 1 by 3, r is equal to, don't let us calculate, Tn or first n is equal to how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is equal to 5. So now last term or nth term, last term or nth term, nth is equal to 27. OR first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. So fifth term is equal to 27. So both are only correctly, don't confusion. So Tn value is 27 or else this is value is fifth term. Why you are writing nth term value is 27? Because of this is last term or else nth term. So nth term is equal to 27. What is n value? 5 only. That's why fifth term value is 27. Now we are applying nth term of the geometric progression formula is Tn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. So now what is the nth term value? 27. What is the a value? Is 1 by 3. So r we don't know correct or as it is, n is equal to 5 minus 1. Now please cross product to the left hand side. 27 into 3 is equal to r to the power of 4. 27 into 3 value is 81 is equal to r to the power of 4. So now right hand side r to the power of 4 is there. This element which this element when product of 4 times we getting 81. Which element is possibility? 3 power of 4. 3 power of 4 value is 81. That's why 81 can be written as 3 power of 4 is equal to r to the power of 4. Both the side of 4 get cancelled. So 3 is equal to r. Finally we get the r value is 3. So what we are assuming 3 values. First we can make it a is equal to 1 by 3, r is equal to 3. What we are assuming 3 numbers? First number is a r. So a value is 1 by 3, r value is 3. Cancellation, that value is 1. Next element is a r square. A value is 1 by 3, r value is 3 square is equal to 1 by 3 into 3 square value is 9. 3 1 ja 3 3. So that another value is 3. Third element is a r cubed. So a value is 1 by 3, r value is 3, whole cube is equal to 1 by 3. 3 cube value is 27, 3 1 ja 3 9 ja. Finally we got the 3 numbers. Therefore the 3 geometric progressions are 1 comma 3 comma 9. These 3 elements are called the geometric mean between 1 by 3 and 27. So everyone understood what they are given? We are inside 3 geometric mean between 1 by 3 and 27 means in between 1 by 3 and 27 in between we can insert 3 geometric means. So we are inserting 3 geometric mean elements are a comma, a square comma, a cube. In the given sequence first element it is called here. So a is equal to 1 by 3. R value don't know, that's why we are calculating r is equal to n is equal to 5. How many numbers will be in the sequence? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total number of elements is equal to 5. Next this is called last term. What is the value last term? 27. That's why nth term value is 27 or else fifth term value is 27. Now we are applying nth term of the geometric progression formula is Tn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. Last term value is 27 is equal to a value is 1 by 3 r to the power of 5 minus 1. 3 product to the left hand side 27 into 3 value is 81 is equal to r to the power of 4. Right hand side r to the power of 4 is there. This which element product with the 4 times we getting 81 3 power of 4. 81 can be written 3 power of 4. Both the sides power 4 get cancelled. R is equal to 3. Now we calculate the 3 elements. What is the 3 elements? One is the AR square, AR cubed. You know A value and R value, that all values up in the what we are assuming values. Finally we get the 1 comma 3 comma 9. This element it is called in geometric mean between 1 by 3 and 27. So everyone understood? It is clear? Next third question. Very easy. only applying the nth term of the geometric progression. Which values are getting a value or value, you can substitute what we are assuming. So next, third question. Suppose another method, what is the condition? Yeah, what is the a value? Another solution. For r, a is equal to 1 by 3, b is equal to 27, n is equal to 3. So now r is equal to b by a whole to the power of 1 by n plus 1. B value is 27, a value is 1 by 3. Whole to the power of 1 by n value is 3 plus 1. You go 3 to the numerator, 27 into 3 value is 81 equal to 1 by 4. So 81 can be written as 3 into the power of 4 divided by whole to the power of 1 by 4. 4 get cancelled 3. So r is equal to 3. This value substitute what you are assuming. First one is AR. A value is 1 by 3. R value is 3 is equal to 1. Second element is AR square. 1 by 3 into 3 square value is 9. That value is 3. AR cube. A value is 1 by 3. R cube value is 27. 9. So finally you got 3 geometric progressions are 1, 3, and this element is called geometric mean between 1 by 3 and 7. Everyone understood? It is clear? It is clear? Next we are going to third problem. So how many elements they are asking insert? We can insert that elements. Okay, here only 3 geometric means we are asking. Suppose they are asking 4 elements we can insert means first element is AR square, AR cube, a into the a into r to the power we can insert. Okay. The next third question is insert 3 geometric mean between 1 by 4 and 1 by 64. So here also they are asking the insert 3 geometric mean between 1 by 4 and 1 by 64. It is clearly let 1 by 4 and 1 by 64 we can insert 3 geometric mean elements. Already first term they are given. In remaining elements we can insert. One is the AR, another one is AR square, another one is AR cube. Only they are asking 3 geometric means only can insert. Suppose 4 terms asking, you can take a into r to the power of 4 like that. Okay? Don't confuse how many elements they are asking insert. Many elements we can insert. Okay? We understood? Here what is the first term? Yeah, first term is a is equal to 1 by 4. Common ratio to calculate. N is equal to number of elements. How many elements is there? N is equal to 5. So last term is 1 by 64. Or else fifth term value is 1 by 60 because of n replaced by 5. So t5 is equal to 160 because of first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. Fifth term value is 1 by 64 or else nth term value also 1 by 64. Now we are applying nth term of the geometric progression form is n is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. Suppose in place of n substitute 5, fifth term value how much? 1 by 64. That's why nth term value is 1 by 64. A value is 1 by 4. R value is going to write as it is. N value is 5 minus 1. Now 4 1 ja 4 16 ja. So now we get the values 1 by 16 is equal to r to the power of 4. Now 1 by 16 can be written as 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4 is equal to r to the power of 4 because of right hand side r to the power of 4 is there. So now to calculate r but power we are eliminating. That's why which element multiplied with 4 times to get the 16? 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4. Both the side power 4 get cancelled. R is equal to 1 by 2. Now you can substitute this values what we are assuming here. A is equal to 1 by 4, R is equal to 1 by 2. What is the first element we are assuming? AR. AR is equal to A value is 1 by 4, R value is 1 by 2. Is equal to 1 by 4 into 2 is 8. Second element is AR square. So A value is 1 by 4, R value is 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. 4 ja 16. Next third element we are assuming AR cubed. A into r cube is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 r cube is equal to 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 30. So finally there are 3 geometric progressions are 1 by 8 comma 1 by 16 comma 1 by 32. These elements 1 by 8 comma 1 by 16 comma 1 by 32. This element it is called geometric mean between 1 by 4 and 1 by 64. Everyone understood? It is clear. Why they are asking to insert in between 1 by 4 and 1 by 64. In between we have insert 3 geometric means. So how many elements is there totally? 5 elements is there. That's why n is equal to 5. First term value is 1 by 4. Last term value is fifth term value is 1 by 64. First to calculate common ratio. That's why we are applying nth term of the geometric progression a into 1 to the power of n minus 1. So substituting finally we get 1 by 16 is equal to r to the power of 4 to calculate r value, but power is 4 is there eliminating the power 4. That's why 1 by 16 can be written as 1 by 2 all to the power of 4. Both the side power 4 get cancelled. R is equal to 1 by 2. So next if you want to calculating what we are having 3 numbers of is here. So here is equal to a value is 1 by 4. R value is 1 by 2. Product with the denominator value 4 into 2 is 8. So 1 by 8. Next element is AR square. So 1 by 4 into R value is 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square nothing but 1 by 4. Denominator product with 4 into 4 16. So 1 by 16. Next the third element we are assuming AR cube. So A value is 1 by 4, R value is 1 by 2 whole cube. 1 by 2 whole cube nothing but 1 by 8. 4 8 is 32. 1 by 32. Finally we get the three geometric elements are 1 by 8 comma 1 by 16 comma 1 by 32. These three elements are called in geometric mean between 1 by 4 and 1 by 64. So you have understood how to calculate the geometric mean between 1 by 4 and 1 by 64. This is the process. So today arithmetic progression and geometric progression and geometric mean and arithmetic mean everything will be finished. Everyone understood? Today this chapter is completed. Tomorrow onwards we will start a new chapter, matrices and determinants. If you have any doubt is there in this chapter, please ask in WhatsApp group. So any doubt in this chapter from first question up to still. So which question if you have any doubt is there, please ask in the WhatsApp group. Any doubt in this chapter? Everything, I think everyone understood this full chapter. Okay. Tomorrow onwards I will start with a new chapter, matrices and determinants. Today progression chapter will be completed. If you have any doubt is there, please ask in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So thank you all.